Okay, here's the part we doing the for the brick, and here's the four part we build and download it from the resort online library for the breaking part. For the first part, we're doing the mate. Uh, mate the pad with a holder by using coincident and oops, sorry, making with coincident. And to fix it on the plate. Lock it. And then to use the screw made to make these three together. It's a long step. I'll do it slowly. Wait. Screw. Wait. And you need to click the surface to make sure that it's mating. And here. Yeah. In this way, see, it's like a real life. You screw the thing. Since we're not to make it to move it around, so I'm going to try to fix it as here. And also use the same method to make the upper one. And the hexagon nut. It's a little hard to select the part. Okay, see, it's rotating and getting fitting. And for this part, we can use either coincident or limit the distance between these two surface so that it won't overlap. I use a coincident because it's taking a little less time. Okay, for now it's complete. It's a plate we use during the for our design.